Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, we're going to be talking about what to expect when you're unboxing your McElroy Hornet outlet fusion machine. Let's get into it. Okay, so now that you've got your green McElroy tote that your Hornet is going to ship to you in from the factory, there's going to be a few components inside of it that are going to come with the kit. So let's go ahead and pull out our fusion machine first, our actual Hornet. Okay, this is going to allow you to do 1/2 inch to 2 inch outlet fusions on up to 24-inch pipe mains. So this is going to be our actual fusion machine that's going to come inside of the package. And then we're also going to find inside of our kit the McElroy Hornet accessory kit. And inside of here is going to be all the components you're going to need accompanied with the actual Hornet fusion machine in order to complete fusions out there in the field or in the fab shop. So let's open our accessory kit here real quick so we can get a look inside. And what you're going to find inside your accessory kit is going to be a few things. You're going to have your fitting adapter. This is what is going to hold your fittings. Pretty straightforward. You're going to have a drill adapter. This is actually going to go inside your Hornet fusion machine as well. And this is going to allow you to drill out all the corresponding holes for all of your different outlets. You've got a chuck key. Pretty straightforward for tightening your drill bits inside of the drill adapter. You've got a little socket adapter here that you could hook on to the actual drill adapter so you're not damaging the top of your drill adapter here. That keeps it nice and clean. And then you're going to have a few different straps. You're going to have a rubberized strap for smaller pipes, from 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, your smaller size range. And then you're going to have a cloth strap for pipe sizes up to 24 inch. Okay, so that's going to help you accommodate those larger main sizes. You're also going to find inside of your accessory kit different size pucks, and there's going to be more than just the two in my hand I'm showing for example. These are going to allow you to hook up to different outlet sizes from 1/2 inch all the way up to 2 inch, which is the size range of the Hornet. Also, one other thing that you're not going to see inside of your kit, although there are corresponding cutouts for them, is there's no drill bits included with the actual Hornet. Those are going to be supplied from your pipe manufacturer, and that's where you're going to source those from. So when you order the Hornet from McElroy, you won't be receiving any cutters from us or drill bits, but the styrofoam cutouts will be part of that. So once you do receive cutters, you can put them in there. One last thing you're going to find inside of the green tote in this front pouch here, if you look in here, you're actually going to find the Hornet PEX adapter, and this is going to allow you to do threaded outlets and PEX fusion outlets as well inside of the Hornet. And it kind of expands the capabilities of it a little bit, so you have that extra versatility with those PEX and threaded outlet fittings as well. So that's what you're going to find inside of your Hornet kit once you receive it from McElroy. And that's going to get you out there on the job or in the fab shop, hooking up the pipe, making outlet fusions.